Now we see the 8-port Artnet signal exchange controller, how to make the setting and connect it to the computer and connect to the power light. For example, this power light, and we show you how to connect the signal. And you can see this is the controller, and when you connect the power cable, you can see this IP address 10.201.6 and 100. This is this controller IP. This is this controller IP, and you can see this. And now this DMX signal, no flash means no signal transmit from the computer to the controller. And you can see this backside. This is the power cable, and you can see there are 8 ports, 1, 2, 8, and this is the net cable connected to the computer. And we connect to the port 1, output port 1, and connected to the power light. And this power light, and we make it to be the 6-channel mode, RGB, WA, UV color, and we test this power light. And now we see the computer. You can see the computer, and you can see this. This is the net setting, and we click this net setting, and we make the setting, and you can see this one, TCP IPv4. Click this one. And you need to set this computer IP, because from this Artnet controller, you see this address is 10.201.6 and 100. Do not make the computer IP and totally same to this controller IP. Make it different. You can make the 10.201.6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, both okay, but do not make the same one to this final number. So our computer, we make it to the 10.201.6 and 2, and this position make it 255 and 0, 0, 0, and you click this confirm and close, and now you need to open one software, and I show you how to control. And you can see this software, DMX Workshop. You install this software and open it. Because I already connected to this controller, and you can click this node list. And you can open the first one, and you can see this one. I make it closer, and you can see this IP 10.201.6 and 100. This is the Artnet controller IP address. Okay, then you can close this one, and you can see here have a transmit preset, and you can see this. You can see this one. And you need to close choose this protocol to manual. And when you open this DMX Workshop, this software, and you can see, you click the transmit preset, and you can open this window, and you can see here the first one, the protocol. This first one, protocol. Choose manual. Do not choose auto. Here you can see auto, manual. You choose manual, and this position you can enter the IP address. You need to enter this controller IP. Controller IP is, for example, you cancel the old one, and you can input the IP. Because the first number is 10, but if you input 10, you can see this position need another number. Then you choose 0, 10, and 201, and 006, and 100, This position. If there's number you need to input, you just put a 0 before this number. And now you click on. Then finish. Then finish. Now I show you the control, the color. And you can see this position. This position have a power light. This position, red, green, blue, white, amber, and UV. This is all color on. I open all the color on. So this is testing. And if you not sure if the computer connected to the light, to the controller, you need to click this node list and you can see if connect or not. Okay, this is a testing way. And for example, if this, because now this power light connected to the port 1, if we connect to the port 2, now we see again. We connected to the port 2. If we connect to the port 2, this subunit, you need to choose one. Choose one. 0 is port 1, and 1 means port 2. Okay, so this is the simple. This is red, green. This is port 2. This is port 2. White, amber, and UV. So this is the connect way. This is the connect way. This is the connect way. And for this controller, I will give you the DMX workshop and another software, so you can check from the computer if this computer detects the hardware or not.